Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XDC on KuCoin. KuCoin is a well-known platform where you can trade a wide variety of digital currencies. The XDC network, also known as XinFin, is an exciting project focused on global trade and finance. We will walk through the entire process, from funding your account to successfully purchasing your XDC tokens, making it easy for you to get started. To begin, you will need to fund your KuCoin account. You have several options for this step. You can deposit fiat currency directly using methods like bank transfers or credit cards, depending on your region. Alternatively, you can transfer existing cryptocurrencies, such as Tether, also known as USD, from another wallet or exchange. Ensure your chosen deposit method is supported and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once your account is funded, it is time to trade for XDC. Head over to the spot trading section on KuCoin. In the search bar, look for the XDC trading pair, most commonly XDC versus USD. You can then choose between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set your desired purchase price. Enter the amount of XDC you wish to buy and confirm your order. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased XDC. Your newly acquired tokens will initially reside in your trading account. For better organization, you might want to transfer them to your main account within KuCoin. For long-term security and full control over your assets, it is highly recommended to withdraw your XDC to a personal, non-custodial wallet, such as a hardware wallet. Always double-check the recipient address before confirming any withdrawal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.